Hello everyone and welcome to 0xa00f4250 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the error code hexadecimal A00F4250, which commonly appears when the photo capture start fails in the Windows Camera app. And now, let's get started. This error is specifically related to the Photos app, or more precisely, the built-in camera application. First, we will try to resolve this by accessing the app settings. To do this, search for Camera in your Windows search bar and click on App Settings. Once you are in the app settings, scroll down. Your first step is to terminate the process. After terminating, proceed to repair the application. Wait patiently until you see a checkmark indicating that the repair is complete. Following the repair, you will want to reset the app. While it is a good idea to reset the settings, always check if the repair itself has fixed the issue before proceeding with the reset, as resetting will revert all customizations. If these steps do not resolve the error, your next option is to completely uninstall the camera app. Allow approximately 30 to 40 seconds for the uninstallation process to finish. Once the app is uninstalled, open the Microsoft Store. Search for Camera within the store's search bar. Select the Windows Camera application, and then click on Install to reinstall it on your system. This should definitively help in most cases. However, in the rare instance that reinstalling the app does not fix the problem, there might be a third-party camera management application causing a conflict. To address this, search for System Configuration in your Windows search bar and open it. Navigate to the Services tab. Crucially, check the box that says Hide All Microsoft Services. If any services are checked after doing this, click on Disable All. Then, apply these changes and click OK. Finally, restart your computer for these changes to take effect. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.